Hey everybody, happy May 4th, or what is otherwise known as Star Wars Day. I'm coming at you with this product unboxing. It is the Logitech Astro A30 wireless headset, Mandalorian edition. The fine folks over at Logitech did send this to me to unbox for you, and we're going to unbox it, show you some of the features, and as you can see, I'm rocking my trusty Logitech Pro headphones, so we'll see how these kind of compare up for comfort wise. Let's talk real quick about some of the features of this. It is obviously Mandalorian themed. It's actually perfect because this season the Mandalorian just finished up. Reading the back here, they have USB-C ports. We have 3.5mm audio ports, so that's nice. You can use these wirelessly or wired. Battery life up to 27 hours. There's also apps for both Android and iPhone to do configurations on this. So you can see on the back, and I'll obviously unbox it for you here. We do have different features of being able to do the side plates, and I think we're about to see here the USB dongle is a little Grogu themed. Let's go ahead and crack this open. It has a little zipper thing here. How about we get that? A little ASMR for you. Got really nice packaging. I hate to crack it open like that, but hey, we have to get it open, right? On the front, the Mandalorian, nice little silhouette here, and then on the side we have some information there. Mandalorian Special Edition Astro A30 wireless headset. On the back we have our little buddy Grogu down there, and then over on this side just the crest there. Open up the box, and the first thing we see, I do believe in Mandalorian, that says "This is the way," so that's pretty cool. And then we have a really nice hard case here the headphones come in. This is actually pretty small for from what I have from my other Astro headsets in the past. So the case, this is actually pretty nice feature. And then this is how it looks inside. You know, we have the crest there, we have Mando over there, and then up top here we have a little accessory kit. We have our microphone. It does bend up, so it's nice and pliable. And then the piece that I was actually super excited about here is our USB dongle. See if we can get a good focus there. And then if we do over here, Grogu, so that's cool. And then there's a little button to push on top of that to, I'm assuming, to sync it to the headset. And then the headset itself, we have left and right on the inside there, printed in Mandalorian, L and R. These do come off, and then you can see there's more stuff on the inside there, decorations, more script. Those are magnetic tags. I think I read that these can be customized as well. And then if we pull off there, you can see also inside, see if we can get it to focus. It says "This is the way" in Mandalorian. So that's another kind of cool nice little touch there. Put those back on. It also looks like there might be a microphone built into this for like maybe your phone if you want to use that way. So it has really good build quality. This is kind of really solid up top. It does have the leather little inserts for your ears, and I'll show you something really cool with these in a second, and the reason I want to show them to you. But this is nice and soft up top. I know a lot of people this can really hurt their heads. I have a large head, and so there's not many headphones that can fit me except for Logitech headphones, which is why I'm rocking the trusty Pros right now. So let's pop these out, and like we saw, these do fold, right? So you can store them or wear them around your neck or whatever. I like to, when I travel, I like to wear my headphones around my neck when I'm at the airport, getting on the plane, etc. So about these ear cuffs here, these earpieces, these are magnetic and they come off. So they easily just pop right back on. Super cool, super nice. There's info about the actual headphones on the bottom underneath there too. So that makes me think there's different ones that you can purchase maybe if these kind of wear out, or you want cloth ones. So those are pretty nice. Let's see how they fit. Ooh, those fit really nice. And I'm not just saying that because they were provided to me. Like I said, headphones don't fit me very well because I have a large head, so they're usually they sit either up too high, or if to pull them down so hard it hurts the top of my head, or they squish. But these actually have a lot of give to them, and I still have a good solid kind of connection around my ears. These also, they use light speed, so there's ultra low latency when it comes to your game audio. They have high quality 40mm drivers. Kind of reading some of the specs for you all because that's pretty important, obviously, with some headphones. Easy connect to your gaming devices. These function wired or wirelessly. We have that nice hard carrying case, so when you're traveling, you throw that in your backpack. I'm definitely going to give these a try on the next trip that I go on, and just kind of see how they work. Hooked up to like a tablet or something, I could watch some different shows and whatnot. Heck, even watch The Mandalorian, right? And it in fact does have 2 microphones. There's one built in. There's a little hole in the side that I said earlier that I thought there was one built in, and they have detachable. So the built-in one actually could be pretty good for not only your gaming sessions like on Discord and stuff for voice, but it could be really good for even potentially doing calls on your phone, or maybe even like Zoom meetings or something if you're on a work call. Huge shout out and thank you again to not only Logitech, but the fine folks over at Disney for partnering up and sending this over. Thanks for sticking around, and may the 4th be with you.